Hey guys, this is a post for the user innovation, and the usual way that we make tea in Nepal and in general in South Asia is we have milk, water about 50-50. We have some good quality tea leaves and sugar, and then we boil it up all using a fire, and then we need to boil it for several minutes and strain it using a strainer. But right now I don't have anything to boil it in, and I don't have a strainer. But hey, I have a microwave machine and I have a coffee press. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this to create tea the South Asian way. So what I've done is I've used about 50% milk and 50% filtered water, and I put some tea leaves on top, and I'm going to microwave this for a couple of minutes. So now we have the tea kind of boiled up in this cup, and I'm going to pour it over here. All the contents, including the tea leaves, are all in the French press now, and even though it's not meant to be used to make tea, I'm able to filter out the contents, the tea leaves, and also use the regular French press mechanism to get more tea flavor out of this, and create a good Nepali chia tea. Oops, a little bit of spill there. I need more innovation for that. That's how tea should taste.